to solve lag and performance issues in Windows 11 or 10 on your WhatsApp. So if you want to solve lag and performance issues in Windows 10 or 11 WhatsApp, then what you need to do is first you need to reset and clear your app data. Press Windows and I keys together in order to open up your settings. And then you need to go with apps and then go with installed apps and search for WhatsApp and click on the three dots and you will get the advanced options. Click on terminate and then click on reset. And after resetting, you just need simply go and log in again on your WhatsApp and your problem might be fixed. But if that doesn't fix your problem, then you just need simply go with the uninstall option on your WhatsApp. After uninstalling your WhatsApp from your device, you need to just simply go and restart your PC. After restarting, re-download the official app via the Microsoft Store. And after that, your problem might be fixed. But if that still doesn't fix your problem, then you just need to simply go and change your task manager priority. To do that, you need to open up your task manager. For that, you need to press Control Shift plus Escape. And then you will find your task manager right here. You just need to simply go with your WhatsApp. If you have WhatsApp on your processes or on your applications right here, you just need to simply right click on it. Like for example, I'll go with this one and then go with details. Click on go to details and then set the priority. Change it to low or normal depending on your CPU load. Or you can also switch to WhatsApp web. You can go with your browser and then search for WhatsApp, go with www.whatsapp.com and use WhatsApp on your browser. That's it. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.